You need ad net, you need lining, and also you need your. I came down by 3 inches again, then I connect just to get like a round neckline, 3 by 3 neckline. Okay, then I place my ruler touching the chest line and touching where the 3 inches neck depth stop, and I create this line just like that. Okay, at this stage you can stop if you don't mind gaping around that outer neck side. But if you don't want gaping, you have to do this next step. Just connect from the nipple points upward like this, and then you're going to take that of 1 inch from that part and connect back to the nipple point so that it can be in panels. Okay, then by the time you join it back, everything will just align properly. Okay, this type of style tends to budge a lot, so please don't even skip any of this step as I am explaining to you. Then just cut it out and put your notching at the zipper side, that point to like 3 inches below that hip line. Just look at the way I'm going to do it. It's very simple. Just use your hand to create a nice smooth curve starting from like 3 inches below the hip line all the way to the 4 inches below the waistline. Remember to also notch that 3 inches below that hip line. That's where the pleat will stop. So notch the lining exactly the same way. For the rope that will be around the neck area. 1.5 is just to use and create rope. It can be as long as you desire. So it's going to be inside, so we can carry it to the back. So now you need something that measured 96. You can make it longer than that if you want. Depending on the fullness you want, you know. The more the gather, the more fullness is going to give you, and the more the beauty. Well, for me, at the end of the day, I use the old yardage that I have. So this is exactly 30. Remember, I told you we are using 5 yards and we have used 1 yard to cut the upper part, then the remaining 4 yards, that's what I use. So I just slice it into 2 equal half, meaning on each side, I have 30 by 4 yards on the left, 30 by 4 yards on the right. Strap, place the 2 of them together like this and place it on the right hand side of the fabric, just like this, and stitch it at that tip, you know, side of the lining together with the right hand side of the front, just like so, and then you can put lining to cover it so that it doesn't touch your skin. Can you see the effect of the net underneath? Yes, exactly. It looks more beautiful than when there's no net there. Thank you so much, my sis skin, for watching. If you're enjoying my tutorial, always please always type in the comment section you carry your seat and give me a thumbs up. If you are not following me yet, please click the follow button. If you have join button to pledge your support for your sis skin. Thank you so much, my sis skins. I'll see you in the next one. So sweet as this sweet.